Colonizers. Okay, this is, again, this has become like in the media, we just call the Israelis it's not a colonizing.
No.
But, okay, colonizer is when one country that had nothing to do with another country, like the British or the Dutch in South Africa, marched in with an army and took over a place that they had no connection to. Israel has quite a connection to Israel.
Jews are the...
Yes, if you...
Yes, so many people commenting about this seem to have just started their understanding of it from 5 minutes ago. The Jews are the Native Americans of this piece of land.
Yes, if you did a land acknowledgement like we do in this country, where I'm standing on ground that was... I'm standing on ground that 3,000 years ago was King David's capital of Jerusalem.
It's important, who does Hamas and many Palestinian sympathetic people, who do they refer to as settlers and colonizers? It's not just the Israelis living in the disputed West Bank. It's Israelis living anywhere within the internationally recognized borders of the State of Israel. Because to them, any Jew in that territory is considered a colonizer. And this language is used to dehumanize people and to license their murder.